In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dashboard in ClickUp. First, open your ClickUp account. If you're already a user, that simply means signing in so you land on your workspace. From here, head to the specific space where you want this dashboard to live. Choosing the right space keeps everything organized and makes sure the people who work there can easily find and use the dashboard. Inside your space, look for the Add View button. This is where ClickUp lets you create different ways to look at your work. Click Add View and then choose Dashboard. You're telling ClickUp that you want a high-level visual command center rather than a list, board, or calendar. Next, you'll be prompted to select a template, or you can start from scratch. Templates are a great way to move fast. They come preloaded with helpful widgets and layouts designed for common needs, like team overviews or project health. If you're new to dashboards, try a template first so you can learn how everything fits together. If you already know what you want, starting from scratch gives you full control over layout and content from the beginning. Before creating the dashboard, select the location. This confirms where the dashboard will be saved, typically within your chosen space. Picking the right location makes permissions and visibility straightforward. If you like, give your dashboard a clear, descriptive name so your team knows exactly what it's for. When you're ready, click Create Dashboard. Once the dashboard opens, take a moment to explore what you see. Many templates and even blank setups once you add basic widgets. Highlight task statuses such as unassigned, in progress, and completed. Unassigned helps you quickly spot work that needs an owner. In progress shows what your team is actively working on right now, which is great for stand-ups and daily check-ins. Completed gives you instant insight into what's been finished, helping track progress and celebrate wins. As you review these sections, think about how they reflect your workflow. If unassigned tasks pile up, that's a cue to assign owners. If in progress looks overloaded, consider rebalancing work. And if completed is empty, you might need to adjust priorities or timelines. The goal is to make your dashboard tell a clear story at a glance. That's it. You opened your ClickUp account, navigated to the right space, added a dashboard view, chose a template or started fresh, selected the location, created the dashboard, and explored unassigned, in progress, and completed. You now have a focused hub for tracking work with clarity.